Your deck faces sun, rain, snow, and it can show. So how do you keep your deck looking brand new? Let's talk about 3 options: staining, sealing, and painting to protect your investment. The first thing to figure out is what kind of finish you're going to use. To finish this deck, we've got 3 options. All are exterior grade. Up first is sealer. This will give your deck a natural look and offer a clear, water-repellent finish without changing the color of the wood. Next, we've got stain. It's semi-transparent and it colors the wood and also will preserve the look of the grain. Let's talk about paint. A lot of people like to paint their decks, and that's fine. The thing about paint is it doesn't hold up well over time. Sealers and stains soak into the wood, whereas paint sits on top. This means it will chip, crack, and peel over time, especially with changes in the weather and years of being walked on. If you go this route, make sure you use a high-quality exterior grade paint specifically designed for decks. And always make sure you prime beforehand. It'll help the paint adhere better and last longer. The one thing you must have before starting any of this is a dry project. The dry wood will allow the finish to adhere better than wet wood. So how do you know if your project is dry? You can use the sprinkle test. It's as simple as sprinkling a few drops of water on the surface of the wood and waiting to see if it soaks in. Come back after 10 minutes. If the water has soaked in, the wood is ready to accept the finish. If the water hasn't soaked in, it means the wood is still too wet, and you'll have to wait. Depending on your environment, it may take a few days or weeks. Before sealing, staining, or painting, it's a good idea to clean the deck surface before applying. Lastly, good weather is essential for finishing your project. Make sure you have a dry stretch of at least 48 hours after applying the product to allow it to properly dry. Whichever finish you choose, follow the manufacturer's recommendations. Thanks for watching and happy building.